What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about the INPHIC IN10P mouse. As some of you guys already know, last time we checked out the INPHIC In9 mouse, but today we're checking out the INPHIC In10P mouse. And overall, through there, we checked out even the INPHIC X2, if you remember. So today we're going to be checking out this kind of mouse, and we're going to be unboxing it and see what's so packed inside, because this kind of bad boy, it seems to be really great through here. So enough of me talking, let's see what's goody inside this kind of mouse, because it's really nice. I like the packaging, to be honest. First of all, you get this kind of packaging, then you're getting you a bad boy. As you can see, this is your bad boy, as you can put it. Really nice mouse, having tons and tons of functionality throughout here. And this is like an upgrade throughout the In9 which we had. So In9 was doing really good. I have this mouse for a while, but I wanted something different this round, and INPHIC decided to share with me their mouse, and I said, yeah, why not? So today we're checking out the In10 mouse. We're going to be unboxing it here and see what's packed inside. So let's do this way. Oh, nice. So as you can see, guys, here we have it. This is our paperwork in here. Really great. And you just have to read it and understand what's happening, because this kind of mouse, it's a programmable mouse, and you just have to download the software throughout your machine, so as you can program each kind of button the way you want it to be. Another kind of stuff, you're getting this kind of stickers which you can attach throughout the mouse, so as you can have a better gripping on your mouse. This one too, you're getting another sticker. I think this one is for the downside, and it's really great. Throughout here, you're getting a USB Type-C, which it's a little bit braided, as you can spot it. Really nice. And another kind of stuff, you're getting this kind of smaller bridge, which you just have to connect your USB to USB-C, another kind of connector, I believe so. And yeah, really great. And our last but not least, it's our mouse, as you can spot it. So this is our mouse here, guys. As you can spot it, really nice mouse. It has a really nice handling, and it's really sporting really good. And this is an In10 Supernova, as you can spot it there, Supernova 2050 black hole, which is really great. And throughout here, it has another dongle which you can connect it throughout your PC, and it has an 8K. You can spot it something like 8K somewhere there, which is great. And yeah, so this is our bad boy here, and we're gonna be testing it out and explore throughout the machine and see what's goody. But before we test it, there's this kind of In9. You can spot the In9, how it feels. It feels like an MX Master 3, while the In10 feels a little bit different throughout here, which it's quite no bad. But when you keep them heads to heads, you can spot this one, it's more compact, and this one, it's a little bit bigger. When we compare to the X2, now this is kind of like feeling like X2, definitely. Like the way it feels, the way it is, it's all about like X2. So it's really nice mouse, to be honest, from INPHIC, and I kind of like this one. So this bad boy here, we're going to be testing it and explore it and see what's packed inside throughout the machine right now. Guys, as you can spot it, this is our dashboard throughout the app, and I'm gonna tap on connecting. So as you can spot it here, you can just have to change anything you prefer throughout your application, and it gives you a really nice flow throughout here. You're having your DPI settings. So if you're having this kind of DPI settings, it starts from 800, 1600, 3200, and we're having 6500, you're having 32,000 and 26,000 throughout level 6. So it depends with you how much you want it throughout the DPI. If you switch to another DPI, the mouse actually 100%, it changes the lightning to just that DPI. As you can spot it there, really cool. And throughout here, you're having your key assignment, you're having lightning. You can control the brightness if you want it to be vivid brightness, like this way. Right now the brightness is so vivid, but for battery side, you just have to reduce the brightness to be a little bit like 2 or 1. And performance wise, as you can see it here, if you want this kind of performance wise, polling rate, if you want it to have much better hertz through polling rate, which is great. It has angle snapping, easier straight line movement, so I can just turn it on and it just gives you a really nice lift off distance. I can just give it 2mm, so it can work in any kind of surface, because I had a problem with my surface here. Whenever I go back here, mouse did not work. When I go somewhere here, the mouse was working because of my table, I think alignment and all of that. But overall, you just have to select lift off distance 2mm, which is great. So other settings here, you can just leave them the way they are. When you go to macro now, macro, I have no idea at all throughout here, something new, and you just have to leave the way it is. So jumping out throughout this kind of dashboard, this is your main dashboard and your main key assignment. You can just change these kind of keys assignment, you assign it to certain key, but by default you can leave it the way it is, or you can go to profile and link with an app. So each kind of app behaves differently throughout the keys or throughout how you operate your mouse. So guys, let's talk about the INPHIC IN10P specification. Well, it has a connection of dual mode with a 2.4 GHz wireless plus Bluetooth version 5.0. On the battery side, it has a rechargeable and a USB-C. On the DPI side, it has 800 DPI adjustable to 26,000 DPI, which is really amazing, and you can control it between the mouse and even its own kind of INPHIC software. On the click side, it has a silent design. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, iPad OS. Design-wise, it's so slim, it has a very nice ergonomic, and it's portable. And to be honest, throughout the feeling throughout this mouse, it feels very light compared to the INPHIC In9. So guys, on the INPHIC In10P, is it really good throughout this kind of mouse? To be honest, yes, it's a really nice mouse and it has a lot of capabilities throughout usage. It has up to 26,000 DPI, which is insane, and I find it's such an amazing mouse throughout your productivity and even gaming wise. And this kind of mouse is so stealth, and the weight out of it is really lightweight. Compare a little bit to the INPHIC In9. The In9, I feel it is a little bit heavy compared to the INPHIC In10P. So will you be choosing the INPHIC In9 or the INPHIC In10P? Well, for the lightweight, I'll go with the INPHIC In10P. For the little bit heavyweight, but a little bit like MX Master, a little bit, I'll go with the INPHIC In9. So it's such an amazing mouse, both of them, but this one is the bad boy because it has much DPI compared to this kind of bad boy. So between all of them, they offer you an amazing kind of usage throughout your productivity and even throughout your day-to-day basis. On the X2 side, is it good to use this mouse? Well, quite not bad. It's such an amazing, I've been using this mouse for a while. The only thing it's missing out, it's the front and back buttons. I wish it could be having, but that's not such a big deal. So yeah, that's the INPHIC In10P from INPHIC. So let me know in the comments down below if this kind of mouse captured you through a different perspective, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.